Welcome back guys to my brand new tutorial. In today's video we're going to style all of our pages in our Django Realtime chatting application using Django and Python. In the previous video we created a functionality to create new rooms and also find already created ones, but if we take a look at our website, those forms really don't look really good. And if we try to find a new room, for example, this could really get some styling really, but that's what we'll do in this video, so we can make every single page better. Also login and register are not really beautiful. Alright, so once I explained everything, let's start styling the pages. So I actually have all of my snippet codes right here in my notebook, but you can find all of my snippets in the link in the description on my GitHub account. So take a look at that if you want to copy all of this code. So right here I'm just going to copy all of this stuff so we can later on style it in our base.html. I'm just going to change this to be URL of find room. Alright, that's it. Now we can try to style the base.html. Let's just copy all of this stuff, paste it all here. Now I know this is copy and pasting, but this is only styling stuff, so you don't need really to memorize all of this. Really, I took a long time to style all of this, and I don't want you to watch me doing it in a video. It would be like 2 hours of a video. So yeah, this is only styling, that's why I'm copy and pasting. But yeah, we can now take a look actually, and really the stuff will change. You see, this really now looks more like a homepage really. We can chat in a chat room. Alright, so I actually should have called this login user, so that just changed that. Yeah, now we can actually refresh this page and try again. So let's try chat in a chat room, and it redirects us to the login page because we're not logged in currently. So yeah, you see I actually made a functionality when you're active on this page, for example, register user. It shows right here that you're actually active on that page. So yeah, that's really nice thing to see. Now let's get to another file. This is room.html. Now this really looks really good. Let's just add it right here, and we can actually check it by doing a find room, or first I need to log in, right? Alright, let's chat in a chat room 55555, and you see really this looks really good now. We can see our messages on the right side and other users messages on the left side. Now we can, for example, type a new message: subscribe to all code Joker, and let's put a ton of exclamation marks. Alright, and we see actually it really looks really good, and yeah, I like the styling of this. So now we can try to add a new styling to the find room. So this is a form. Let's add it in our find room. Alright, clear those indentations, unnecessary indentations, and also we need a create room, so we'll do it right away. Alright, I just fixed the error of not showing the find room and create room, or it isn't actually an error, I forgot to add them in my navbar. So now we have actually every single link inside of our navbar right here, so we can check it. You see, this create a chat room and find room are really good, and we only need a login and register, which I actually forgot to add, but let's just do it. Let me just do it off the camera so you can actually copy it from my GitHub. Alright, so I styled every single HTML file we have in our project, so let's take a look at this project for one final time. Register and login is styled again. Now let's register a new user to actually see if everything works. So let's create a new user called Joker. Alright, let's create a password. I will not mistype a password since we already checked the validations in the previous videos. So yeah, we logged in automatically. Now we can find a new room, since we're not a admin user to actually create a new one, and we see all of the chat messages that are not mine are displayed on the left side. And if I type right here my message as the Joker user, it will appear on the right side. So let's try to do that. So let's type hello workers, my friends. Alright, Let's send this message, and we see actually it appeared on the right side. It's not just for the admin users or whatever you could have imagined. So yeah, this actually works, and we see it didn't refresh actually. And now let me log out again, and let's check, for example, the admin user with the create room, and let's create a new room. Let's call it, I don't know, programming. Alright, let's put a room code of 99999. Alright, create a new room, and right here let's add a new message. Let's type Django is the best, and let's put 3 exclamation marks. Let's send this message, and we see it actually everything works. Alright, and now one final thing I want to check is actually the two clients talking to each other. So let's try it right here. So right here I'm logged in as admin, I think, and right here I'm team. So let's type a new room code, or the room code for the programming room, and we see we are admin right here because we're on the right side, and we see this silverish color right here. And let's type a new message as team user, and let's type just I agree. Alright, no exclamation marks right here, and we see it actually updated in real time, and also it didn't refresh the page like, or it would if it didn't use the JavaScript. So you see everything works right here, and we could have, for example, added a banning or kicking from the rooms or something like that, but I'm not going to scale this project. I just wanted to show the basics of these channels. Later on I will probably create advanced projects using those kick, ban, and other stuffs, but for this project I just wanted to show you that Django channels actually work, and that they are really useful. If you like this video, make sure to check out the pinned comment of this video. I made you a free PDF guide on how to help you pass the beginner stage and escape the tutorial hell, and also I have got another great video right here on screen. Make sure to check it out, and I'll see you in that one.